This time, we would like to introduce SARAS, an FCCL material for FPC of KGK Chemical Corporation Co., Ltd. What are FPC and FCCL? Flexible printed circuits, FPC, is a type of printed circuit board. It's thin and flexible, and can be deformed repeatedly. Even when deformed, the performance as a circuit is maintained without problems. Comparatively speaking, rigid circuit boards are hard and cannot be deformed. The FPC is thin and suitable for use in folding and moving parts, making it an indispensable member for the miniaturization, weight reduction, and thinning of all electronic devices such as smartphones, televisions, and laptop computers today. Flexible copper-clad laminate, FCCL, is a material for FPC in which a thin copper foil and an insulating film are laminated. FPCs are manufactured through various processes such as circuit pattern formation, printing, mounting of parts, and punching. Use 5G, beyond 5G applications are assumed. Improving insulation properties by reducing the dielectric constant of FCCL for FPC is indispensable for enhanced mobile broadband, EMBB, ultra-reliable low-latency communications, URLLC, and massive machine-type communications, MMTC, that are the features of 5G. LCP film for FPC. SARAS. KGK LCP film features. KGK's original film forming technology, solvent casting method, keeps the strength, heat resistance, and stability that are characteristic of LCP films. There are features such as thinner than conventional LCP. The thickness is 0.013 to 0.035 mm. High adhesion to copper foil even without adhesive. No orientation peculiar to LCP film. Existing FCCL. Since the conventional FCCL uses pie with copper foil layered on it, that has high heat resistance but poor low dielectric property than LCP. And the LCP film was adhered to the copper foil using an epoxy adhesive. However, these have the problem that they cannot achieve the low dielectric properties required for 5G. On the other hand, KGK's LCP for FCCL uses low dielectric LCP as an insulator, and since LCP is formed directly on the copper foil, no adhesive is required and the low dielectric properties of LCP can be utilized as it is. This is KGK's original technology for 5G, beyond 5G. The heat resistance of FCCL using LCP so far is as high as pi, but the adhesion with copper foil is not so high as compared with pi, and the use of adhesive was almost indispensable. Therefore, there was a problem that the low dielectric property of LCP could not be fully utilized. In addition, since there is an orientation due to the mechanical strength different in vertical and horizontal peculiar to LCP film, it was necessary to design a circuit based on that. On the other hand, KGK's FCCL can obtain high adhesion without adhesive by forming a film directly on copper foil, and the low dielectric property of LCP can be utilized as it is. Moreover, because there is no orientation, there is no need to design based on that. Consequently, the freedom of design greatly exceeds FCCL using conventional LCP. Merit 1. Thinness. KGK's FCCL has 0.025 mm thin LCP resin layer and 0.012 mm copper foil. The total thickness is 0.037 mm, and other companies' FCCL is 0.112 mm thick. You can see that the thinness of KGK's FCCL stands out. Merit 2. Adhesion. As mentioned above, since LCP is directly deposited on the copper foil by KGK's original film formation technology, no adhesive is required and the low dielectric property of LCP can be utilized as it is. In addition, it is not necessary to roughen the surface of the copper foil to improve the adhesion with LCP, the amount of precipitate during processing is reduced. The adhesion force shows a high value of greater than or equal to 1.4 N/mm. Because they are chemically and physically integrally joined, the structure is such that the LCP resin does not easily come off from the copper foil. Merit 3. Non-oriented. KGK LCP is non-oriented by the solution casting method. There is no difference in mechanical strength and thermal expansion between the MD and TD directions. It's a great advantage that you don't have to worry about direction when processing to FPC. Summary. KGK's original technology solvent casting method is useful to being thinner, highly adherent, and non-oriented than the conventional LCP for FCCL, while maintaining the strength, heat resistance, and stability of LCP. It is a unique 5G and beyond 5G compatible technology. At the end, we KGK solve customers' problems with our multifunctional technology.